Hey guys, andito tayo sa parking ng Greenbelt. Welcome nga pala sa part 2 ng ating video for the installation ng Next ECU Shop Boost Speed Next. Masyadong mahaba kasi yung unboxing at saka may konting explanation para hindi kayo masyadong bored. Split ko na lang sa dalawa. So dito tayo ngayon. As you can see, nakabukas na yung hood natin. Tinanggal ko na yung positive or negative. Naka-disconnect na yung negative terminal natin sa battery. So, mag-i-install tayo. Papasok tayo sa ilalim ng pedal. Right here. Hindi makita kasi masyadong madilim. Okay. I will try na maging as short as possible, no? Kasi mainit dito masyado sa parking. And napili ko dito kasi maganda yung lighting para makita nyo rin. So I'll get on with it guys. Install ko na siya and sana maging okay. Alright, dito sa ilalim ng pedal, dito siya nakakabit. I-focus lang natin ha. Okay, this is my old Boost Speed. This is the first generation. So i-move ko lang siya. Tatanggalin ko rin kasi mamaya yung Next so ilalaylay ko lang siya dyan. And if you will see, ito yung connection ng pedal right there. And nakakabit si Next is right over there. Ayan. So in between nung sa pedal. Sorry, medyo sobrang yuko na ako. Medyo mahirap i-explain pero ayan siya. Hahanapin nyo lang yung terminal ng pedal ninyo and i-disconnect nyo yun and ilalagay nyo yung Next in between. So make sure nyo lang na may click para walang problema sa connection. So let's start it up. Tingnan natin kung paano yung mga features niya. Okay, we're now running. Wala tayong check engine. So far so good. And patayin natin yung flash. Masyadong scandalous. Okay, there ulit. Walang check engine. And right now, ito yung transmitter niya. Check natin how we can connect this sa phone, probably by pressing this one. That's mode 1 2 3. So ayun yung mode. So you can use this manually din pala. So let's check it out sa phone. So how we can connect this. Okay, so we're going to turn. Let's look for the app muna. There you go. Boost Speed Next. And okay, so there. Let's see how we can connect this. Let's tap on device. Add device. Let's allow for the location. I wonder what's that for. May geotagging ba siya or what? Okay, let's scan. So lumabas na yung si BS Next. Let's tap on that. Okay, sa device, press the remote to pair. Okay, I think it's connected. So let's see. Bawas natin yung mode if it will sync. Yep, it's syncing alright. For driver mode 4, we're now down to 3. And sa device, naka 3 na rin siya. So very good. So you can see here then sa graph right here kung ano ang gain niya and values niya by percent. So when you go up, the gain goes up as well. So pag city driving, I personally use sa mga second generation to third generation is until 3 lang, no? Kasi ang katumbas niyan is mode 1 sa first generation. So biniyak-biyak lang nila yan. So there. Let's try the echo. Alright, so there, matitimpla mo siya when you turn this on. Okay, matitimpla mo rin siya yung top speed right there. So as you go up, so how do you do this? Okay, there. So may limit siya. Okay, so yung top speed mo bumababa. Okay, when you turn this on, so makakatipid ka sa fuel, hindi ka piga ng piga. So there, let's turn this off. Let's go to anti-slip. Okay, sa anti-slip, let's see, when we turn this on, power limit. Okay, I see. So you need to I think you need to calibrate this with your pedal, no? Power limit to 90%. Okay, so kapag medyo tumutulas ka, I believe the power will be lessened para yung hindi lalo mag-skid yung gulong mo. So we have the anti-theft. You will need to input your password for that. So let's cancel it for now. Close page. Yes. So info. Nice. So IZ used for 2012 D-Max. That's Thailand year model versions. So there you go. I see. Oh, TPS, I'm not sure what that stands for, no? But as I can see, baka pwede kang makipag-communicate support team using Line, Facebook, or whatever. It's there. Okay, you can select your model as well. MU7 is the Altera eh. So pwede rin siya sa Altera. And of course, brand new na or newer versions ng D-Max. So let's try this one. Okay, probably this one wala pa masyadong akong knowledge regarding this TPS, no? But soon we will be discussing that as well. So let's go back muna. So the drive, let's go to the drive. Let's turn this off muna pala, the anti-slip. Sorry. So there, we're back here sa main page niya. And that's how you navigate, guys, dito sa Boost Speed Next. And pakita ko sa inyo yung remote right now kung anong itsura niya kapag nakakonect. So let's disconnect dito sa phone muna. Okay guys, so ganito ang itsura niya kapag nakakonect sa phone. You can see that yung parang Wi-Fi icon is lit. And currently nasa in sync siya, since nakita natin kanina na nasa mode 3 tayo. Mode 3 din yung lalabas dito sa transmitter niya or sa remote. So basically that's it, guys. And actually if you will refer to the user manual, nandun din lahat yung mga steps how to connect it, no? And it's in English para madali maintindihan, mostly kasi galing sa Thailand, medyo hindi siya in English eh. But ECU Shop is a big company, guys, kaya he caters to English as well. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I hope mag-subscribe tayo sa page natin. Subscribe lang tayo sa page natin, no? So para makagawa pa tayo ng mga ganitong mga videos, mga reviews and all. And tell me what you think, guys. Where to get this, makikita nyo sa description below. You can PM me as well or message as well if you're having a hard time locating kung saan meron siya. I'll be happy to direct you where. And actually I have few stocks of this, so PM nyo lang ako, guys. I will put my Facebook Messenger sa description below. So, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe.